Hi all, just wanted to share something with you. How does appreciation feels like? It was just a foreign thing for me. For maybe I was less appreciated for my hard works, or maybe people around me really noticed. But that doesn't mean I haven't done any hard work. Whatever it may be, I just don't know. But appreciation definitely feels so good. Recently, my 5-year-old participated in a dance program of which I have posted this video as she practiced only for 3 days, so she was being nervous while on stage. She looked at me all the time. She was dancing as I was encouraging her. Judge noticed me, and after she done performing, she was asked who taught you to dance. So she just answered, my mom taught me. Then the judge started praising me in front of the public, asked the public to give me a round of applause, and soon they did so. It was such a out of the world feeling, I must say. I never knew how appreciation feels like. I never thought that I will be appreciated in this manner. I will be praised in this manner. For people, it may be a small thing, but for me, it was such a great feeling. I cannot explain. I will never forget this feeling ever. So I thought to record it and then share with you all. Thank you. So this is the same performance my daughter did. So this made my day. Really, that made my day. It inspired me a lot. If you're new to my blogs, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.
হলালে পাতে ভনি লগৰি হবা জানো লগৰি দিবা জানো দিবানে ঐ মৰ